So our activity for this day, you're going to draw your reproductive system. So sa mga girls, you may proceed to the library, and all the boys, please stay. Okay. To further appreciate the female genitalia boys, would you mind to expose your penis and let's do the head to ball assessment? Okay. Girls, walang mali siya ito promise, information lang. Okay. Let's start with the general appearance, girl. Okay. Thin penis lying in bed, still erected. I can see in the nose. Tapos, okay, let's start with the head. Head. Huwag niyo akong ganyan. Head. Nakikita niyo yung head? Head. Normal cephalic in shape, diba? Normal cephalic in shape siya. With helmet is still intact. Ang main reason daw dito mga kapatid ay para hindi siya mahuli ng LTO. With cheapy material upon retraction of the Facebook. Magasin-gasin upon tasting. With, tanig na tayo girl, tanig na tayo. With distended neck pain. Okay, ano ang management dyan girl? Ano ang management? Diba kapag sa mga pregnant women, you need to elevate the affected leg. Kaya naman, you need to elevate it above the level of the vagina. Sa pregnant women, you need to ambulate, diba? Dito naman, kailangan nyo lang si Miss Emma. Emma Dalere. So dito na tayo. Dito, kinagigiliwan ko. Ay, dito muna pala, with patent urethra. Oh, patent urethra. Able to expectorate thick tenacious secretion in a rainbow motion. Isa pa. Able to expectorate tenacious secretion in zigzag motion. Pwede rin ang spiral motion. Pero ang sabi ng lola ko, wala yan sa lolo mo. Ang tawag dito, able to expectorate in zigzag, spiral, and rainbow motion, girl. So dito na tayo. Dito. Ano to? Ano to? Hindi gaga, sunglass siya. Kapag nakikita yun ng bating na tutuloy, ayan. With let no bone still intact. With rugate. Diba kulong-kulong na siya, smooth and shiny. So, the general appearance of this thing now, or the appearance ba ito? The general assessment is M and K. Masarap. Bakit may mali siya ba? Malaki. Para sa kabaklahan. That's all.